Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video tutorial that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Gazprom. Gazprom is the ransomware that encrypts files and, of course, damages them. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and existing vulnerabilities in the system, this Gazprom ransomware may be easily injected into the device. Very soon, users realize that their files have been damaged and encrypted, and this Gazprom extension was appended to the file names. It's not possible to use the files anymore, and the ransomware drops this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't waste your money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus program. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus, but to download it you will need to use Internet Explorer browser, because the point is that other browsers may be also damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer browser, go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely in your case the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Then the scanning will begin, and at the lapse of some time you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. Combo Cleaner, however, doesn't decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to detect and remove this ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. But file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus program. Keep this information in mind. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. We recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution for keeping your data always protected against any other malware or ransomware attacks.